In this video, I'll show you how you can sync your TikTok shop to your Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. What we have to do is we need to add an app to your Shopify store. So let's quickly do that. Click on settings from your admin dashboard. Just type admin.shopify.com and then you want to go to apps and sales channels. So come in here and we want to add SKU IQ. So go to the Shopify app store. In here, search for SKU space IQ. Take this one and then you want to press add. Once it is added, it's going to ask you to create an account. So create an account for this one. And once it's added, then you want to log in to this account and you also want to log in to your TikTok account. It's going to show you this on the dashboard. So then you just want to connect both of those and you'll be good to go. You can see here what it does. Real-time product order and inventory syncing to your TikTok shop. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.